Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to qualify for a SoFi personal loan. To qualify for a SoFi personal loan, you first need to meet their basic legal and residency requirements. You must be at least the age of majority in your state of residence, live in an eligible U.S. state or territory, and hold citizenship as a U.S. citizen, permanent resident, or an eligible non-permanent resident with valid documentation. You also need to provide a permanent U.S. residential address, as P.O. boxes are not accepted. Next, SoFi evaluates your financial stability. You must be employed, have sufficient alternative income, or possess a formal offer of employment starting within the next 90 days. While SoFi does not publicly state a strict minimum credit score requirement, most approved applicants typically fall within the good to excellent credit range. Having a strong credit history significantly improves your chances of approval and helps secure a lower interest rate. SoFi also reviews your debt-to-income ratio, which compares your monthly debt payments to your overall income. A lower debt-to-income ratio demonstrates that you have enough monthly cash flow to comfortably manage an additional loan payment without financial strain. When you apply, you will need to provide documentation such as recent pay stubs, W-2s, or tax returns to verify your income, along with proof of identity and residency. SoFi allows you to check your rate using a soft credit pull, which does not impact your credit score, before submitting a full application that triggers a hard credit check. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.